gentlemen, welcome to another vlog. A quick little New Jersey flight, if you will. A quick little New Jersey ride, if you may. I'm on my way from New York City to Natalie, New Jersey for a Thanksgiving feast. My buddy Birdie Bird is putting together. It's like an annual Friendsgiving type of situation, and I just battled a little bit of a traffic in Manhattan, and now I'm on the highway system of New Jersey. Just going, you know, just cruising. Taxi was going slow, and now he's in the fast lane going slow. I mean, look at him, barely passing anybody. What is the meaning of this? I guess I'm gonna have to pass him like a savage. It's totally possible. I thought TRD Camrys were fast. My boy's slow AF. Move opening up that way, so I'm not trying to go too fast now, just relaxing. But yeah, this old dog still got a little bit of a pep in her. Yes, the dials will be fixed. It just hasn't snowed yet. As soon as it snows, as soon as my bike is down, as soon as I know I'm not riding for a week because the weather is shit, send out my dials, you know. Until then, no dials. Keep right. What are you doing, bro? Whoa. Did I hit somebody with my mirror? I guess it's possible, ultimately. It's completely possible. Probably gonna need gas on the way back tomorrow morning, but I'm not gonna worry about it just yet. I'm gonna concern myself with today for now. Go. The bike is cooling down right away. Got up to 227 and now we're back to 225 and probably less. Got 7.5 miles to go. Ooh, dippage. Like that. Folks are dipping. There's dippage happening. Am I slowing people down? It might be. Little burst of highway. Wow, that Audi is legit going buck something. Savagery. You got that big ass mall right here, the Ferris wheel and all. Tomorrow it's going to be a little bit chill here. It's supposed to rain in the morning, so I got my heated gloves. My voice is a little hoarse. I'm not trying to go too fast now because my bet the Popo is out there even on Thanksgiving. The savages. Savages. Got 4 more miles on this sweet little road here, and then Bob is your uncle. Look at that Audi. All those moves. Accomplishing nothing. Sad. I'd smoke them right now if I wanted to, but I won't. Look at the Audi. Oh shit. It's an S4. Yeah, that roofing business did not think through the aerodynamic element. Ooh, another Audi dipping. It's like an hour dip out. Like Audi dip session. Now. It's kind of bizarre to be going, you know, the speed limit 55 and whatever, and the dial says 0. I'm used to it now. I don't mind it much anymore. I am excited for some food. I'm excited for this feast. Have a beer and just relax a little bit. Be thankful for everything you got. Because, you know, I can be a cranky, bitter little bitch. So it's nice to slow down once in a while and remember and appreciate. I don't do it often enough. I'm just selfish, you know. Selfish. Yes, baby. Got less than 3 miles to the destination. Another mile until the exit. Seems to be a car crash ahead. Perhaps even 2. Alright. Probably just a fender bender of some sort. I don't see anything on the horizon. Oh, what a glorious ride-in this was. Just wide open. Not too much traffic anywhere, really. Where is this crash? Let me see it. Alright, half a mile we turn off. No problem. Oh, I see. There's some little bit of police ahead. There's the accident. There it is. Ooh, fuck. That's a fucking hit. God damn. Poor people. I guess, Thanksgiving, we'll have to wait for a little bit.